In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to import documents directly into Codebeamer using IQNECT. To get started, click the hamburger menu beside the IQNECT logo in the top right corner of your screen and select Document Import. Next, choose your project. Then select the document you want to import. Before importing, you can open advanced import settings by clicking the gear icon beside the Import button. Here you'll find options like Start and End Page, Document Password, and other important preferences. Once your settings look right, click Import. Once imported, you'll see your document broken down into items in the main window. On the left, you'll also see the tree structure outline. Clicking any item in the tree will take you directly to that section of the content. Under the Document tab, you can view the original pages of your uploaded file. Here you'll see exactly where each piece of text was sourced from within the document. To assign an item to a tracker, use the drop-down arrow beside Select. This opens a list of trackers to choose from. Clicking a content section brings you into the editor, where you can make any changes you need. You'll also find AI writing tools inside the editor. Click the AI icon to explore enhancement options that can refine or expand your content. When you select a section, you can use Add to Selection to include related content, such as siblings, descendants, or other connected items. Selecting siblings, for example, includes all sections on the same level in the content hierarchy. From there, use Merge Into to combine all selected sections into one unified item. After merging, you can again assign the new item into any of the available trackers. Next, the Find Items button lets you find items that you can add as an upstream or downstream trace. You can refine your search even further by clicking Add Rule. In this example, a project was selected and the term Clamp 15 status was entered before hitting Run Search. IQNECT will now look for items that relate to that phrase within the project, ranking results by percentage. From the search results, you can move any item to become a downstream or upstream trace of your original item. Next, let's go through some of the buttons at the top. You can use Change Tracker to assign different trackers to items. Please note that if you change the tracker for an item that has traces linked to it, you will lose the traces. Clicking Analyze runs a full content analysis. This evaluates quality, coverage, and provides AI-powered recommendations to strengthen the content. If you click Done here to come out of the editing window, you can access the settings by clicking the gear icon at the top. Here you'll see the active project and imported file. You can also turn the automatic traces on or off. The Find button lets you search through the items in the document. Clicking a result takes you straight into the editor. Use Save for Later to preserve your current progress. This feature lets you pause your work and return later by reloading the saved import file, and everything stays exactly as you left it. When resuming an import, follow the same process as initially importing. When you reload a saved file, you'll see your project right where you left off. To finalize and bring your assigned items into your project, simply click Import. Once the import completes, refresh the page to see your newly imported items in the tree menu. You'll notice any upstream and/or downstream traces that were assigned. And that's it! You've successfully imported a document using IQNECT.